When the waste toner box becomes full, the symbol for replacing the waste toner box blinks and the message "Dispose of used toner" appears. Open the waste toner box cover. Pull out the waste toner box until you can see its opening. Place the waste toner box on a large sheet so as not to dirty the floor. Take the new waste toner box out of the carton. Put the used waste toner box in the plastic bag and seal it with adhesive tape. Clean the slit glass. Take out the green cleaner inside the cover. Hold the cleaner with the black part on the top of the cleaner upwards. Insert the cleaner through the service hole of each color developer unit to clean it. Insert the cleaner all the way in and then pull it back out. Repeat 3 times for each color. Attach the cleaner with its top on the right and its holding side on the left. Push a new waste toner box into the slot until it stops. Close the waste toner box cover.